Today we have another great ultimate cleaning video for you.
We are going to be cleaning Trisha's guest bedroom. I am so excited for you guys to see how she makes the bed. In my opinion, she makes the best bed and embraces her guests in such a loving way. I just love how she makes it so cozy.
Wow, that was really nice. I want to embrace those words for a second. And embrace all of you, our great followers.
Make sure you subscribe and ring that bell. Come along and clean with us.
Let's go.
Gals in God's grace.
All right, opening the door to my guest room. This is where I get to have all my amazing guests come and stay, or kids when they come home. It's definitely a schnajna mess. Ay, ay, ay.
It looks like a little bit of a storage room too, Trish. Do you store stuff in there?
Never, Amber. I would never do that.
Not even those pictures back there?
No.
Or the flies in the windowsill? I think
Oh.
you're storing some flies.
I guess so. Okay. All right. If we're going to keep it real, maybe just one or two.
Okay.
Yeah. For my husband's dinner.
Oh, there's Trish.
Oh.
So as many of you know, we borrowed this little trick from Love Meg. We have a pillowcase and we just put it over the fan blade and wipe it off, and there you go. The dust is gone and contained in the pillowcase.
That's awesome. And then we have our paper towels, my favorite, Costco.
She really, really loves her towels.
And we're going to knock out this window. Amber was doing a really good job about not getting any booty shots.
Well, if we're being truthful, we got a lot of booty shots in this segment right here, but we cut them all out because we are gals in grace.
That's right.
We have to have a little bit of modesty.
Yeah, and we did. We did. Bye, Felicia.
Where you move make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh. 'Cause you will always be there. Oh, oh. 'Cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, yeah, I know, you will always be the. Yeah, you make me feel like I can run on water. I'm picking up the speed. Oh, oh. 'Cause you will always be there. Oh, oh. 'Cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. You will always be the. Yeah, I know, you will always be the. Yeah, I know, you will always be. Come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know, you will always be the. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you, baby. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you. 'Cause you make me feel like.
All right, so I get to talk about this piece right here. This is one of my favorite pieces. It was inherited to me from my dad's side of the family, but it's an original piece that came from Captain Dana.
What is that?
Captain Dana founded Dana Point in California.
Oh, that's cool.
And he was the owner or founder of the Napomo House.
I'll be enough for you, baby. I'll do it all for you.
Ooh, it's pretty dirty, Trish. It has a beautiful top though. It's like marble, right?
It is. And he made homemade furniture I'm so honored to be able to put it in this room and showcase it. It's such a pretty piece with so much history.
It's really beautiful.
Come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know you will always be the.
And I'm sure you guys saw that beautiful branch on the wall. Well, I got that for $1 at a yard sale, but I just thought it was kind of a cool piece, and it fit perfectly right above the bed.
It does. I love it. It's really a statement piece. When you open up the door, it's like the first thing you see. It's like 3D art on the wall
Oh, well, thanks.
for $1.
And
Or
the bed?
you could just break one off of your tree.
Oh, well, yeah, you could. But this one just had a little bit more character to it. I just really
I
liked it.
think it's
so.
painted. It is really nice.
Oh, well, thank you. And the bed was given to me. It's an antique bed. I love it. It's just perfect in there.
We are about to do my favorite part, which is make the bed. At Trisha's house, you get such a special treat because she uses the best linens. Her pillows are always down-filled pillows.
Wow.
She has the down-filled duvet. And this is something that you just can't get by watching the video. To sink into one of Trisha's beds is heaven.
Oh my gosh, Amber, thank you. That was a really, really nice compliment. Wow. Well, this is just so much fun. I mean, I love to entertain guests. I love to make them feel at home in my home. And
That
so
is very
this
true. You always feel so welcome if you walk into Trisha's
Aw,
house.
well, we
She
wanna-
is the hostess with the mostest.
Woo, woo, woo. Okay, so we're putting the duvet on now. Now, I have a little trick. What you do is you put the actual comforter on, and then you put the duvet inside out over it, and then you can do it with one person, but it's helpful if you have two. You put your hand inside, grab each corner, and then you just turn it inside out.
Right now we're just buttoning the ends, and
Right.
I didn't know this part. The buttons go at the bottom.
Right.
I think I used to always put them at the top.
Oh, really?
So I'm a rookie at that. They go at the bottom.
I'm obsessed with a straight, nice, no wrinkle bed, and I have been ever since I was really little. As a matter of fact, when my sister and niece come over, they mess with me. They'll go into my bedroom and peel up a corner of my bed just to mess it up. And they know it's just one little corner. They'll flip it over, and it just drives me nuts.
You know
I
what?
can't even stand
I have
it.
a bit of that too.
You do?
I need it to be straight. And actually, what you guys don't see is I cut out several moments in this video where we are straightening the edges of the duvet cover over and over and over again.
Well, hey, you know what? It feels good to just know that everything is nice and streamlined. And this is one small thing that we can control and that we can make sure is right.
It does make a difference.
Maybe it's
I
a
don't know
little
why.
retarded.
Maybe it doesn't. Maybe it doesn't make a difference in life, but it just makes me happy.
It's one small thing that you get to just make sure is done right. It feels good.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are
Okay, so here is another Dana piece. This just has so much character to it. I just love it, and it just fits perfect in that corner with this nice big fluffy down pillow.
Of course.
I love that I can be able to have this history in my home, and especially when my guests come.
You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. It got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and I, yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me, I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and I, yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me, I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know.
Okay, so we have a little basket of goodies for our guest. We have our two little cuties, because you have to have your vitamin C. We have a bath towel, a hand towel, a washcloth. We have Black Rock Mud Lavender Bliss. So Black Rock Mud is fantastic. They are on Sephora. You can find them online. Their stuff is fantastic. We have a bottled water, Better Homes Magazine, America's Best New Home, which is mine and Amber's, and some Daily Steps for God Chicks, Holly Wagner. It's really a great little devotional book. So just a couple little things to make our guests feel welcome. Here we go.
A little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and I.
Here we are, all finished. I just love the way that Trisha puts things together. She does things I would never think of, like that blue patterned pillow with the little pom-poms with that southwestern bedspread. There is a little bit of blue in there, but I would never think that those two pieces would go together, and yet it looks perfect.
Oh, well, thanks, Amber. Well, there's a little blue picture frame over there on the side. It's my Nana and Papa, and I love that little picture over there. It's kind of like a room of history.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Yeah. It's
The family guest room.
That's right. That's right. And now for a little ambiance. Time to light those candles to get ready for the guests. Thank you so much for joining us for this extreme clean on my guest room. We embrace this process, and we hope it motivates you to embrace a room in your home as well.
Before we say goodbye, we have a question of the day for you. Do you prefer natural candlelight or battery operated? We have both going on up there. I prefer natural candlelight. I like the smell of real candles. Trish?
And actually, I do too.
Hey, we agree on something. Normally, we disagree. We have
Right.
differing opinions. but-
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. It is safer to have that candlelight or the battery operated
is,
candlelight, especially in a guest bedroom where you might forget that you're burning a candle.
That's right. Yes.
Could be a bad thing. Anyway, thanks again. We'll see you soon. Bye.
I just wanna hold you.